Alright guys, welcome back. This is JDM Jamzter Squatter. It's been a minute. It is 2021. First video of the year. Last one wasn't the first video, but yeah, so look at one of my boys over here.
What's going on?
Yes, sir. Wait, bro.
We out here with JDM cars.
JDM cars and the Z, obviously. Yeah, we're gonna hear it spool a little bit when we drive off, but it's crazy. Right-hand drive, of course.
Ain't nothing special.
He's capping. He's
A little
capping.
rusty.
He's capping. He's capping. A little rusty. He's gonna. I know he's gonna pull on that shit.
Yeah. Some brake dust, you know.
Oh yeah, it's okay though. It's okay. I mean,
Yeah,
I got brake dust too, but it's okay. But today we're gonna go do the cold air intake on the car. Head to my boy's house. You know, another Z32 enthusiast. He also has a Z32 also.
Yeah.
No, sorry, he has multiple. Probably like 500. 500 the most.
Nah.
But yeah, so yeah, let's go. Get out of here. All right, bro.
Controlling effect.
All right, guys. So we're here with the homies. All right, TSX cold air intake. You know, the twin turbo. Yes, Toyota starter. I don't know how to say it, but you know. But yeah. And then look at this baby right here. That's just pretty. Pretty. And this is a man with.
My car's gonna.
Yeah. What's up, bro? Let him know.
What's up, dude?
Yeah.
What do you call it?
What's up, dude?
We're gonna run it. Hyundai 2.0T.
He said
I
he's
think
gonna.
it's 1.8 or 1.6T. I don't know. But yeah, it's gonna be a good race. Oh, this is a 2.4, and this is a turbo, so it's a VTEC, so it's gonna be even.
He's high revving auto. Is that auto? Yours auto or not?
Yeah, it's auto, but it has power switches and all that.
Oh,
Get that intake in, bro. Let's get it. One of the good.
I actually raced my Z again.
Oh, yo, I'm surprised, dude.
This is what happens when you don't take care of your freaking car. It wasn't me though.
God.
It wasn't me. I promise. And electric tape with it too. Christ. I promise it wasn't me. Okay. It was a previous owner that didn't know anything about. Jesus. What?
Oh,
Right
no,
on.
brother.
Wow. I can see the amount of horsepower I was getting in there, huh?
Yeah, negative 25.
Yeah, bro. That was straight doo-doo. That's doo-doo right there, bro.
Actually, the thing is, what? No, it's still be considered. Is there a math on that or not? Or is this the math? Yeah.
That's the map right there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's just very disappointing. Well, at least I got that on camera. This is that's a fucking Elantra.
Yeah.
Woo,
There you go.
There it is.
That's a fucking Elantra. What?
That's what's up, dude.
Cap back.
That's
Nah,
not
it's
fair.
just a muffler and resonator, dude.
Oh wow.
Tell me why they mad at me. Is it cause I'm doing good, they used to laugh at me. And now I'm doing what I want, I got a bag on me. Just in case they want a problem, got that strap on me. Yeah, I got that Mac on me. You can see it on my waistline. 10 seconds, get you dropped, no it don't take time. I told you I'ma get mine. They saying I'm the greatest through the grapevine. You said you don't have time, well baby make time. Cause if you wanna live this life, then
Just
you
busy
gotta make
vibing
a
right now.
sacrifice.
So my boy Cole over here is actually doing all the work, which is good. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Yeah, man. Look at this thing. Y'all thought the TSX was fast stock. Y'all about to see that thing really schmoving, baby. Really schmoving. But they gave us stickers too, man. I was actually shocked. I didn't look. Dang, where my stickers at? Crap. fudge nuggets. Can't find the stickers. I took them up so they won't get stepped on. Nope, it's not right here. See how clean my trunk is? Yeah. Huh. Huh. Dang. Oh, I'm tripping. This right here. Yes, sir.
But remember, just do the BCs, you gotta do the rest.
HPS. Oh, hold up. The HPS. This one's kind of dull, boring, but I put this on. Yes, sir. So yeah, let's finish it off right here. Amazing. The ice, bro. The boys came in clutch. I didn't have to do anything. Really safe. Like, bro, for real. I really didn't have to do anything.
I think I have one of my extensions.
Jesus.
Yeah, right here. I think
Look
these
at
are
that.
mine. They're just the 3 minutes.
That blue just looks so beautiful, so pretty.
I don't have them. Is this one yours then? I don't have them. That's you.
This is what we talk about. Tools and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Tools and stuff. Yeah.
These are my
Yeah.
tools right here.
The tools.
Hands.
The tools. All right, so it's complete. The boy Cole did his thing, you know. Yeah, exactly. All right, just go ahead and give it a start up, bro. All right. Some sounds a little bit different. Rev it a little. Rev it a little. Bro, mind you, this is the only mod that I've done to this car.
It might be an exhaust leak up in the front, right by the headers to the downpipe.
Sheesh.
Because I smell a little bit of something.
There we have it. We have the intake. HPS, no eBay shit. Installed and complete. Wow, what's your reaction, bro?
Pretty good.
You seem like you're shocked.
I'm a little shocked.
I'm shocked also too. It's the Honda, man. Come on. Sounds really good. All right, guys. So I'm about to end off the video here. It was just a quick look at and view of the cold air intake. I mean, it rides nice. Did a pulls on it, but I'm gonna end off the video here. The boys just arrived, so I mean, yeah, but we still got a little bit more work to do. So, all right, y'all boys, JDM Jamzter Squatters, we out. Till next time. Got a couple more videos to go, but yeah, stay tuned.